Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Griselda Pamiroyan. I'm 31 years old. I'm from Philippines. I have 2 kids. First, 10 years old girl. Second, 6 years old boy. I have a partner but we're not married. My work experience as domestic helper was in Hong Kong. I took care 2 kids aged 5 and 3 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, car washing, marketing. I can cook some simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, stir-fried vegetable, sweet and sour chicken or pork. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible. I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I promise I will do my duties very well. I will take care of your family, especially your kids. And I promise I will finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. Have a nice day.